Hey guys, welcome to Juvo Tutorials. In this video, we're going to learn how to change and update the banners on your Juvo website. So first, I'll explain a little bit about the banners. There are several different types of banners on various Juvo websites, but the process of changing all of them is exactly the same. So here we have a home banner or a masthead, and here is a side banner right below it. Your websites may have different types of banners, but again, the way that we change them will all be the same. And we do that by editing a list of images that could potentially be shown in these spaces. So now we're going to go over to the Content Manager and we're going to show you how to edit that list. So once we're in the Content Manager, we're going to go up to the tabs and click on the Banners tab. So now we'll go over how to add images into your banner rotation list. So first you'll need to select the category of banner that you want to edit, and you do that over here on the left side. We have rotating home banner and rotating side banner. These banners directly correspond with the home banner and the side banner on the front end of your website. So if you want to edit the home banner, be sure to click on the Home Banner tab. Now all these images you see in this list are the ones that could potentially be shown in the mixture of banners, and whether or not they are displayed depends on if this active box is selected. So if you want to deselect the active box, it won't show up in the list, but it's just as simple to activate it by clicking it again. And if you want to add an image that isn't in this list already, you can click the Add Banner button. Now, it's important to note the size requirement of the banner type. All types of banners will probably require a different size image. This one requires 1020 pixels wide by 300 pixels tall, and it's important that whatever image you select is that size. Otherwise, the image may not look proportional in its place on the front end of the website. To select the image, you can click anywhere in this gray box and find an image in your Files Manager that fits the size requirement. Now, if the image you want to add isn't already in the Files Manager, then you can upload it by clicking Choose File, and you can find that image somewhere on your computer. After you click on the image you want, you press Open and then go to Upload. It'll tell you that it added that file successfully, and from here you can pick whichever file you want. After you find the image you want, you go down and press Select, and there the image is in the space provided. Before we add this image to the rotation list, first we'll want to give it a URL link. And the purpose of the URL link is to direct anybody that might be browsing your website to a new site or page whenever they click on your banner. And oftentimes we don't actually want to redirect anybody anywhere else but our site. So in those cases, we can simply type in a hashtag or # into the URL bar. And basically the hashtag has the effect of making the banner non-responsive whenever it's clicked on. And in other cases, you may want to direct the browser to another website, and if that's the case, you'll first want to type in http:// and that first part has the effect of opening the site in a new tab whenever somebody clicks on your banner. And then you simply type in the full address of whatever website you want them to go to. Here I'll just show you weather.com as an example. And when I save this image, it'll be added to our list, and under target here it says weather.com. It's important to note that whenever you add a new banner into the list, the default setting is for it to be inactive. So if you want to activate it, you need to be sure to do that whenever you add it in. And just as an example, I'm going to deselect these other images to show you the link. And when I refresh this page, there's the banner we just added. And when I click on it, weather.com comes up in a new tab. And you can use that tool to direct anybody to any website you may want. Some examples of when you might want to do that are if you're having a special sale or promotion with your business. Now I'll add a few closing comments about the banners. One thing that's really important to know is that usually the banners on the front end of the website are shown completely at random from this list, and that helps give the images an equal opportunity of being seen. And another thing is that over time this banner list might build up to be pretty big, and if that's the case and you want to clean it up a little bit, you can delete the banner by pressing this delete button, and it'll ask you if you're sure. You press yes. And whenever you delete the banner, that doesn't actually delete the image from your files manager. You can always go back into the files manager and add it back into this list. The last thing is that any category of banner will be really just the same as the way we just changed the home banner. So now that you've watched this, you should be equipped to manage the banners on your website. Thanks for watching.